In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check location history in Google Maps. Here's how you can check your location history in Google Maps. If you're already inside the Google Maps app and you're curious about the places you've searched for or visited, I'll walk you through the steps. First, open the Google Maps app. The quickest way to view your recent activity is to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Right away, you'll see a list of places you've recently searched for. If you scroll down, you'll find an option that says See More or More Recent History. When you tap on that, Google Maps will show an extended list of all your previous searches. Keep in mind, these are locations you searched for, not necessarily places you've actually visited. It simply shows your search history or anything that was searched from your account. Now, there's another way to find deeper location history. Go back to the main screen of Google Maps and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll see an option called Your Timeline. This feature only works if location history is turned on. In my case, you can see that mine is turned off. If the feature is enabled on your device, your timeline will show details like your day, trips, insights, and more. You can tap on Today and scroll back to any date, whether it was a week ago, a month ago, or even further. Google Maps will display the places you visited on that specific day. This is especially helpful when you want to remember things like the name of a restaurant you visited during a trip or a place you stopped by but forgot the name of. Your timeline lets you look back and easily find those locations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.